12. Brady. This is caught by Antonio Brown. The Bucs going to go ahead and use the second of their timeouts, as they'll get a chance to talk it over after picking up the first down. A shotgun give to Fournette. And a little spin cycle. Room to run now. Down at the 27.
The Bucs take over 1st and 10 at their own 27-yard line.
The Bucs offense set to begin their next possession. And both of these defenses have been stifling these last few drives offensively. Just not able to get anything going. So what needs to change?
I think a lot of the guys will go back and review. So
taking it right down Broadway. Past the 20. 3rd and 1. Instead, it's a big chunk in the pass game. First down. Fournette running out of the gun. And down inside the 40 to about the 38. A good run there on first down, and it'll leave them with a 2nd and 2.
That play wasn't quite as big as the play that preceded it, but still, gotta like the way they're moving the football, partner.
Absolutely. Pretty good room to run on that last play.
Yeah, they didn't get a first down, but still, it's
Antonio Brown. He's got Evans. And he is going to have the Buccaneers first down as they're able to get the 3rd down conversion. Back now in Tampa. It's the Bucs. They've got the football. They also are in front here on the scoreboard as we start the 4th. So from the 17 now, here's a 1st and 10. A shotgun give to Fournette. Down at the 27.
The Bucs take over 1st and 10 at their own 27-yard line.
The Bucs offense set to begin their next possession. And both of these defenses have been stifling these last few drives offensively. Just not able to get anything going, so what needs to change?
I think a lot of the guys will go back and review. So
taking it right down Broadway. Past the 20. They want to see consistently. 11 yards there. First down.
But one of the ways that quarterbacks keep all the receivers alive in a play, never lock in on any one guy. Make sure you keep your eyes moving, scan the field. And here he finds the open guy for a nice pickup.
Brady to throw. He's going to go up top for the end zone. And he gets the first down here.
There's nothing like a day of fishing. The preparation, the expectation.
Leads to a new set of downs. Brady now on first down. He's going to let it go deep for the end zone. 3rd and 1. Instead, it's a big chunk in the pass game. First down. Fournette running out of the gun. And down inside the 40 to about the 38. A good run there on first down, and it'll leave them with a 2nd and 2.
That play wasn't quite as big as the play that preceded it, but still, gotta like the way they're moving the football, partner.
Absolutely. Pretty good room to run on that last play.
Yeah, they didn't get a first down, but still, it's
Antonio Brown.
maybe the first of many, because once they get going, look out, things tend to snowball. Tom Brady trusts Gronk as much as any receiver I think he's thrown to in his career, and it's evident
And
when you
that's
see that.
saying something.
That's saying something right there, but he's earned it.
The first carry for Leonard Fournette. He's got the first down and more past midfield. And now off to the races.
Coming down inbounds because they are very gifted. They'll make the circus catches, but they make them out of bounds. That does you no good.
Brady's throw there complete. Here's 1st and 10. Shotgun now for Brady. Steps away to his left. And he'll toss this one incomplete. Seeing no options, he throws it away.
Yeah, that one sailed on him. You've got to make sure you give your receiver a chance to come down inbounds because they are very gifted. They'll make the circus catches, but they make them out of bounds. That does you no good.
Brady's throw there complete.
You don't have to drop a shoulder or create or get through contact or trash. Makes it a lot easier to stay upright, see the field, and make a run as we just saw there.
Brady's throw there complete. And he'll get him inside the 15 down to the 14-yard line. Here's a 1st and 10 at the 14-yard line.
Tampa Bay.
Working from the gun, it's Brady. And he's into the end zone. And he's got his man in stride, complete.
Wilson's
And he'll take it down shy of the 45 at the 46.
a gain
Good
of
defense holds him to only a yard, and it'll be 4th down. They'll try and throw for it with Wilson. Under pressure, he's going to go down. Look at this, way back around the 43. They were hoping.
You're exactly right, and if you have that 1-to-5 play drive, you actually build up momentum and even more hope. When they had to slog their way downfield, they got the touchdown, but it's almost like, yeah, you know, you
Doesn't feel right.
Exactly.
This will make it into the end zone. The lane opens here. He's past the 30. Room to run at the 50. Still going inside the 30. And they are not going to count.
We need in order to put this game away. If you think we're just going to run it 3 times and punt it, you got another thing coming.
Yeah, and then, by the way, also the 2-minute warning in play, so essentially 4 timeouts left.
They have to be aggressive here.
Flexing his muscle, and there he goes, right side. So start out of harm's way with a 1st and 10. Brady to throw. Looking for the end zone. And this will be down. That's to his running back, Leonard Fournette. And he's got this down to the 35. 12 more yards there and another 1st down.
1st and 10 at the 35-yard line.
Again, it's Brady. Looking for his running back, and he's got him. And this will be a gain of 5 as he gets it to the 30. 4 receivers to keep tabs on here. 3 of them to the right side on 2nd and 5. That's going to be caught. That's to his running back, Leonard Fournette. And he's got this down to the 35. 12 more yards there and another 1st down.
1st and 10 at the 35-yard line.
Again, it's Brady. Looking for his running back, and he's got him. And this will be a gain of 5 as he gets it to the 30. 4 receivers to keep tabs on here. 3 of them to the right side on 2nd and 5. That's going to be first down as Brady. This into the hands of his running back, Ronald Jones. And inside the 20 before he's brought down. 12 more yards there and another 1st down.
And while we may be looking at the scoreboard, this offense certainly is not, because they're showing no signs of backing down, even with a 3-score lead here in the 3rd quarter. I think they keep taking their shots. They've seen blown leads happen throughout this league. They don't want to fall victim to it themselves.
And he holds. To throw again on 2nd down. Brady, and he'll get that to Fournette, complete. And he's able to get this one out closer to midfield across the 45. That one a 1st down pickup of 8. Working from the gun, it's Brady. He's going deep for Brown. That's caught inside the 20. Throw again. And that's going to be incomplete. Too tough to hold on to that one in 2nd down.
I think that was good strategy there, trying to go right back to him after the last completion. But this time, the defense was all over it, and they got there to break that one up.
Brady again here on 2nd and 10. Back to Brown, this time complete. A 1st carry for Leonard Fournette. And strong running there as he's inside the 10 and down to the 8-yard line. 5 yards is the tally on 1st down. That brings up 2nd and 5. Shotgun now for Brady. And he's got it. looking to throw on second down. Brady. That's complete to his running back, Evans. Touchdown.
That's another incompletion.
He'll end up getting 5 out of that, but now they're looking at third down.
How about a tip of the cap to the defense? They're working against a very mobile quarterback, but all day long they've kept him under wraps. And on that play, they held him to a short gain.
And on 3rd and 5, this will be the 8th play of the drive. Is this intercepted? It is. It's intercepted. It's Devin White, the linebacker. The 20, 10. Time to board. Here's a throw that's taken in out of the backfield. And they'll bring him down at the 13-yard line.
Complete.
Give him 6 on the play. And just like that, it's third down.
Brings up 3rd and 5.
From the gun, Brady. And he's
When you scored points, it's a whole lot better view than when you're trying to figure out how to fix things there.
a solid way to start the drive. 13 yards, picking up the first. They keep it with Fournette on first down. And he's free going down the left side. Struggled. Do they try to put together something here at the end just to take into next week?
Yeah, sometimes teams want to do that and coaches want to. I remember one time I was on a team and we were losing late in the game like this, and you knew it was lost. It was over, right? And the coach called a running play and pretty much said to everyone, I want to see something executed well before we get out of here. And that was the message to the team.
And he's going to be intercepted a 3rd time. Another pickup there, 2nd and goal. Be interesting to see now what they do offensively down near the goal line after not much there that time.
As the offensive play caller, that may change your sequence now. Instead of coming right back with a running play, you may have to go to the air.
A gain of 2 there on the heels of a 1-yard pickup on first.
Brings up 3rd and goal.
Brady now on 3rd and goal. And he pulls it in for a Buccaneer touchdown. Time to board. Here's a throw that's taken in out of the backfield. And they'll bring him down at the 13-yard line.
Complete.
Give him 6 on the play. And just like that, it's third down.
Brings up 3rd and 5.
From the gun, Brady. And he's the gun. It's Brady. There's the Penn State man. It's Chris Godwin.
Good.
One thing you're hoping for when you run drag routes, you're able to hit a receiver in stride and he can pick up a lot of yardage after the catch. But in this situation, the defense was effective, able to stop him before he could get a good head of steam going.
Brady's throw complete there to Evans. And he's in play. Back deep, Jadon Mickens. And a fair catch signaled for and taken just outside the 20-yard line. A big kick there. We'll call it 56 yards on the punt. And the Bucs will get ready to go on offense. Brady going to bring the Bucs up with a 1st and 10 at their own 22. He'll throw from the gun. That's to his running back, Leonard Fournette. And they've got it well across midfield. That's all said and done. A big pickup of 38. 2 minutes on the clock, 2nd quarter, 7-0 ball game. A reminder that when halftime rolls around, Jonathan Coachman will have all the highlights and analysis of this first half of play from our studios in Down the Numbers. There he goes. And that one will bounce out of the back of the end zone, so we will start here at the 25. The Tampa offense ready to get their drive started. They built a good first half lead. Now they have a chance to add on to it.
And what I'm thinking is that the offensive staff spent the entire half.
A big seam, and he might go all the way. The 20. A surprising move here on the opening drive of the game, and the Bucs are going to take over with excellent field position to boot. Throwing on first down is Brady. This is caught by Antonio Brown. Touchdown!
But you have to be careful about being too cautious because now you can't run any offense at all.
Still want to tackle. See, trying to get that to Adams, but that's intercepted. Picked off by Lavonte David. And it's a pick.